Guys, let me show you how to make this Jeptha Creed old-fashioned cocktail. Some of the best rye whiskey I've had in a while. Alright guys, let's get started here with 2 or 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. Just a few drops of simple syrup. You can make your own. I kind of like this store-bought. It works pretty good for me. You can even use a little tablespoon of water and a sugar cube. Works just fine. I like just a few drops of this cherry syrup. Guys, if you want to treat yourself to some of this Jeptha Creed Rye Whiskey. We're just going to come in and do 2 ounces of that. Maybe a little bit more than 2 ounces. That on in there. Come in with a few ice cubes. Try not to spill it everywhere. Let's give this guy a stir. Here's where it gets fun. Got an orange here directly over the glass so we get some of them juices in there. Oop. Disperse some of those juices right into the glass. Put your orange peel right on in there. One or 2 cherries right there. Cheers to you guys. Outstanding as always. God bless you folks. Bye bye.